Right, Trung. You know how I feel. Well, losing everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of pain in the ass. Yeah.
So I guess this might be it. Want to see me going to pull for a green knife or another AK-47 entrance? Oh, there's also some cases on off-chrome cannon. It's really good, but it's just like one of those, you know, a Valorant skin that was modeled after this. Oh yeah, not to forget, I saw, yeah, back in the Battle Pass, they have a skin like this.
Did you bought this one?
It's like, someone at Valve tried to copy the design from Valorant.
You bought the inheritance.
No, I got the inheritance, not bought. They cost for about 2M, you know.
How many Ks for it?
First 40. Oh, you see this? God. You see this, man? I never see this detail, man. Look at this. Did you see this barrel crack?
Yeah. It like it's originally in this game.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Oh, cool. Yeah. That's really cool detail, man. Oh, wait. I want to see the stock one, and I want to see the stock one before we move on.
God damn. God damn, can't believe you opened it. I thought you bought it.
Ah, yeah, I thought so. This one also cracked.
Oh, it's I think it's the new AK.
Yeah, but stock really decent. Stock really decent. Unless you want a skin, just slap a cheap one, you know, or just skip using AK. No, I say skip. When I say skip, just use stock AK and just skip this Kilowatt K series. Alright, this is the first 40. Gonna go for another 20 later.
Sure.
Alright, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Cookie knife? Cookie knife? You sure?
Yeah.
Ready for cookie knife? Alright.
Good.
Here we go. Open to keep.
Well, you have to confirm.
Yeah, open to keep. Just so you pull. Open to keep. So, oh yeah, Rent, you will not guarantee getting the knife.
Yeah.
The one the cookie knife, you better gamble. 40 for 99 bucks. You know how much? Oh, $1,000. You want to even just get a knife anyway.
Damn, insane.
To you, what is the best knife you could get in CS? You want to break even. To me, this is that skeleton knife of mine. The skeleton knife costs $1,000. Break even for 400 cases.
I think you should just buy the fucking knife tray if you want to save up money.
Another purple. Wish it was Star Trek. Come on.
You won't be getting knife from 40 euros. Don't have high hope, bro.
No hope, especially if you open
no
one. But with what number? What number, man? What number out of those 400 numbers? Just close immediately. Try to speed it up. Oops, all blue. Damn it. We just inspect. You could get a cookie knife case harder in this case.
You could.
Yeah.
Not you.
If it was full blue, it's break even.
It's blue.
Full blue, break even. Or any cookie knife, I'll be fine. Oh, be passed by, but I already have that.
But the blue.
I don't have the Jawbreaker. I already have the Black Lotus and Olympus.
Yeah, the Black Lotus is good.
Black Lotus looks cool.
Yeah.
Couldn't agree more. John is speaking of Black Lotus.
No, blue. It's like Genshin Impact, bro.
It's worse. Or this is Valve, different than them.
Oh, blue.
I heard there's a voice actor drama again. What is it? You know, to try to sabotage developers. I hate these people try to sabotage a game which they work on and treat it like theirs. That is against the game's terms of service. Is that correct? I didn't say anything. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. You there?
I'm here. I'm still here.
So, tell me you didn't saw that.
Oh, lucky, bro.
Totally,
So good,
totally. Alright, pass by.
Oh,
Big
come
pass by.
on.
Sata freeze! Oh, it doesn't have the counter number here.
Oh.
Putting another one. That's a disaster. Like, oh, that's a disaster. Gotta make it quick.
No, the blue. Mr. Ob.
Another blue. That's a disaster. Oh wait. Valve's least favorite number. What should I say? Yeah, I mean they did the torque attempt, but they can't did whatever. Oh, stop track! Whoa! Check this out, man.
God damn.
Factory new!
Factory new.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Yes! Now we got something really good.
Yeah, finally got something.
Oh, especially for that. That's a bit. Oh, wasn't. No, I admit that wasn't. That wasn't scratch or something.
Well, like the battle scar and the factory new, there isn't any much different.
This is a good one. This is a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one for
Yeah.
sure. But
Let's go. Let's go. Because you were.
yeah.
Well, must I say good luck? Oh yeah, of course I got good luck. I have good luck, you know. Glock 18.
The boss
Work
say
is nice of
good
me.
luck to you.
Right, Glock 18, Glock 18, Block 18.
You only have like 2 seats left.
Ah, not yet. Gonna have to, like, you know.
Oh.
Right, for another. I'm sure 5. How much is 37999? 5. No. Which one is it, man? What do you think? Which one has a knife? Which one has a knife? Line or column? Column, line?
None of them have the knife.
What? What number?
You won't be, you won't
Line
be
what?
getting-
Column what? This one or this one? Or this one? Maybe this one. This one? That one?
I don't know. You won't know.
Right, so we stick with third case, third key. Third case, third key. That's the, you know, theory. Third case, third key, the theory. Oh, it's still blue.
Go for the 5. 5.
5.
5.
Fifth case, fifth.
Yeah.
Fifth
yeah,
case,
fifth.
fifth.
Yeah, fifth. Yeah.
Fifth case, fifth key. Oh, another thing went by. Okay, I'm just gonna come back. My turn. I guess lucky 7. This one. At the end. Whoa. At least I already have. I don't care. I already have both of those things. Ignore that! Ignore that!
Oh, huh?
Mouse
no,
card,
that's right.
probably mouse field tested because of this warn. Yeah, I don't need that. So I'll give you your dog to you like that. Oh, yeah, we
Oh, there's a Black Lotus behind. Yeah.
Not to worry, I already have the Black Lotus. What the fuck is it? There you go.
You open it?
Yeah, I did. I'll do the countdown stuff, okay? 5, 5th case, 4th case, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, blue. Ah, blue, bro?
Like, oops, all blue!
Bro, are you out on the sea or what? Blue
It's
sea.
not like the last time I opened it!
Blue sea, bro.
Blue sea. Blue sea!
Blue again.
The sky is blue, the water is, the sea is blue, the ocean is blue, the mountains are blue, now what?
All blue, bro. Oh my god, bro.
The gun's blue! For 120 bucks! Even the first character I owned against shipwreck was blue! The best character against shipwreck was also blue!
All blue.
Yeah, hold on. Blue. Case harder blue.
All blue, bro.
Case harder blue. Blue case harder. Are you kidding me? Oh, you have to for block 18 stat track. Yup. Oh.
Oh wow, damn, this one look cool, bro. But it's gonna
Yeah.
be blue, bro.
Why is it blue?
Everything
Was it
is
because
blue,
it's
bro.
not even moving? The parts is not moving. Of course, it had to be blue. It's not moving. The parts are like fucking Valorant. Wait, how much?
Oh, look at those blue, bro.
Yeah, this is from the previous.
Did
Oh,
you see the
blue!
One Piece, bro?
It's not even. It's not
Do you
even
know One Piece,
Alexif
bro?
goal. I want an Alexif goal. I want. Who's the? He's still in Navi. He said bit goal. Alexif goal, bit goal. I didn't get either of them.
Gumi.
Gear. It's gear. Sorry.
Oh yeah. Like do you know do you watch One Piece, bro?
I did.
Yeah.
Some
You
occasion.
know Sanchi, right? He was talking about like the Grand Blue, bro.
Oh, don't tell me you're gonna
Yeah,
say
bro.
that, right?
Yeah, that's where you at, bro. Yeah, the Grand Blue, bro.
What the fuck? Open to keep, open to run. Final 5 coming up. Don't tell me you saw that. The M4! Oh, okay, never mind. I already have the M4.
Dark Horse.
Oh, where's the M4? Okay, there it is. Edge load, but it's not stat track.
It's not even that expensive.
Should be. Since it was purple. Right. Yo, I think the session says not now. Okay.
Oh.
Should I get
Eh?
USBS for this? Maybe later.
Yeah.
USBS, jawbreaker, I don't have that. I think it's the last one. Excuse me. Should be it. Yeah. That's a disaster. Shall I continue? I have 2 more, I guess. Alright, yeah, I better continue. That's how many I got the reds, then passes by.
Blue
Yes.
sea.
Yeah, the sea of blue. The blue sea. The blue sea instead of golden knife. Okay, blue sea, all sea. Yeah. So we play Valorant.